guys, welcome to Naty Tech Natty. So in this video we're going to talk about basic similarities and differences of the two SARS coronaviruses. But before we start, make sure that you click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. There are different types of coronaviruses, including the MERS coronavirus, SARS coronavirus, and SARS coronavirus 2. So there is a family of containing all types of coronaviruses, including the non-human and human coronaviruses and mammal coronaviruses. But in this video, we're only gonna talk about two of them. That means the SARS coronavirus and the SARS coronavirus 2. So let's start with the similarity of the two viruses. So the first and basic similarity between these viruses is a genetic similarity. And this genetic similarity is mainly on a specific structure of coronaviruses, which is called S protein or spike of proteins, and specifically on their RBD or receptor binding domain. So the genetic materials or the genetic structures of their RBD are the same, and they are genetically similar in 79% in their RBD. So it is an amazing similarity. So the second similarity between the SARS coronavirus 1 and 2 is the target receptor, or the target receptor of human body cells. So if you want to know more about the receptor kind of thing or the structure of coronaviruses, there is my video of me. You can check it out. So this type of receptor is called an ACE receptor, and the ACE receptor 2 is the target receptor that both types of coronaviruses bind or attached together. So it is the type of receptor that they use. So the S proteins recognize or identifies the right receptor to feed in or to directly feed in. So this is an entire similarity, or this can be like a mechanism of attacking similarity. So the genetic similarity is a cause for their similarity in their target receptors. So the other or the third similarity between these two viruses is their stability rate. So stability rate means the time or the amount of time that they can last on living and non-living things. So according to different studies, it is believed to be the same or approximately the same. So it is a time of survival for the viruses on different things. So it is the other amazing similarity between these viruses. And the fourth similarity is or are some of the symptoms that both or patients of both viruses experience. So some of them are fever and also shortness of breath are experienced by patients of SARS coronavirus and also SARS coronavirus 2. So these are the basic similarities between the viruses. So let's talk about their difference. So the difference of or the major differences of these viruses are, the first one is their type or the type of capsid that they use. So capsid is an outer protective coat, or it is a protective membrane for all types of coronaviruses, but it is different for each of the coronaviruses. So the type of capsid that the SARS coronavirus 2 actually uses is different from that of the coronavirus 1. So the SARS coronavirus 1 uses a nucleocapsid, but this one did not. But the type of capsid is not known and is not identified still now. So the other similarity between difference between the two viruses is their contagiousness rate or contagiousness rate. So the SARS coronavirus 2 is more contagion than the SARS coronavirus 1 for unknown reasons. So there are some predictions like the type of capsid or the type of capsid that they use and their process of entering to human body cells, but is not clear until now. So the third difference between these two viruses is the mortality rate of these two viruses. So the SARS coronavirus 1 is more severe than the SARS coronavirus 2. It has a mortality rate of 9.8% or approximately 10%, and the SARS coronavirus 2 has a mortality rate of between 0.2% to 3%. So it's low. But the people who have suffered or who have died from the two viruses in comparison is the SARS coronavirus 2 has killed more people comparably to the SARS coronavirus 1. It is because of its contagious rate. So the more it is distributed or transmitted, the more the severity will be. So it is the other thing about him. So in the SARS coronavirus 1, it is more severe than the SARS coronavirus 2, and in SARS coronavirus 2 patients, in average, 20% of them need to be hospitalized. But in SARS coronavirus, the hospitalization rate is more than 20%. So it's all about the similarity and difference between the SARS coronavirus 1 and 2. Both are emerged from China. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's all about it.